Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a compact commercial building. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can set the height around 10,000 millimeter and for the length around 20,000 millimeter or 10 and 20 meter. Then we can push it up around 300 around 300, and then we can make group. So then we can make a basic shape. Anyway, we can make a basic shape with a rectangle from corner to corner. So then we can offset it inside. Offset it inside just a little, maybe around 50 millimeter. It's just for basic and example anyway. So then we can select it all this frame object, and then we can push it up. We can set the height of this building around 7,000 millimeter, for example. Then we can make it group. So then we can make a secondary skin anyway. But before we make it, we can make the roof first. For the first, we can make a basic roof over there. Okay, we have to fix it. We have to make a basic roof for the first. Then we can push it up just a little bit around 300 millimeter. Okay, so then we can make group. Okay, and then we can make basic. We can make secondary skin anyway. We can use a rectangle. Then we can place from the corner to corner. So then we can offset it outside. We can offset it outside around 500 millimeter. So then we can erase some unnecessary plane and line over there. Then we can push it down until the proportional shape as we want anyway. Maybe for example, we can set from this floor, and then we can push it up. We can push it up around 2,900 millimeter, or so we can push it up again of this secondary skin. So then we can move to the upper position of this roof anyway. Okay, and then we can just replace the material with the glass material of this glass panel. We can use glass and we can select it. Okay, and after that we can adjust the opacity anyway as we want. We can adjust the opacity, and then we can adjust the color of there. Then we can select it. So then we can make a line. We can select this line anyway. Then we can move and press Ctrl on our keyboard. So then we can place on here, and then we can type 20 slash then enter. So then we can select it again. For another side, we can select the move control, and we can place on here 20 slash. Okay, press enter. So we can also adjust this place wall, and then we can select this line. We can select move, press control, and place on this, and we can type 20 slash, and also the another side anyway. We can select this line, select move, and we can press control to duplicate, place in here corner, and then we can type 10 slash. So it's done for just basic shape anyway. It's just for basic shape, not for detail, but we can make the impression from this basic shape. After we get approval from this client or our audience, we can go forward, we can go ahead to make design development or detail engineering drawing anyway. Okay, and then we can make the component to be make group. So then we can play the pattern on this secondary skin anyway. We can play the pattern on this secondary skin. Then we can select this group, and then we can make the line anyway. We can draw the line with line. We can draw the line by following our concept or our preference to make it attractive anyway, to make it impressive enough. Okay, maybe it's just for example anyway. It's just for example about how to making it. Okay. It's just for example, so you can explore more on your computer. It's just for example. Okay, we can draw more attractive enough anyway. Okay, then we can offset it inside for every single face over there and over there. We can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 50. Okay, you can offset it, or maybe we can offset it inside around 100 maybe. Or it's too wide anyway. We can offset it inside 50 millimeter only. So then we can repeat it again on the another face anyway, and we can repeat it again and again. Okay. So we have to draw it fast anyway. We have to draw it fast because it's too complex profile. Okay, sorry, we have to be patient for drawing this pattern anyway. We just double click for the pattern after we get the same thickness of this secondary skin. So then we can use erase tool to erase it anyway. We can use erase tool to erase. We can use erase tool, and also this front face anyway, and also this front face we can erase it also. Okay, and it's done for the side position and the front position. So we can select this line, we can select this secondary skin line one by one, every single line anyway. We can select manually one by one. Okay, another that we can move and duplicate it to the another side anyway. Okay, and we can select the secondary skin on the front facade one by one. We can select it one by one. Okay, a little bit more, and then we can move and duplicate it to the another facade anyway. Okay, again, it's done anyway. Then we can make the another color. Maybe we can represent the maybe we can represent the light color anyway. Or maybe we can select this manual color with this. Okay, it just okay, so it will be representative. And then we can adjust the color of the light anyway, because it's just light color for example. Okay, and it's done anyway. Then we can adjust it again for the another face. Then don't forget to close the line over there, because it get trouble when the line has no complete over there. Okay, then we can continue it to complete it. Okay, we can adjust the color, but the pattern anyway. Okay, and it's done. Okay, and then we can complete the pattern with the line anyway. I use a shortcut, so it would be quick for me to select the tools. I suggest you use the shortcut, and you have to setting this shortcut by yourself anyway, as comfort as you want anyway. So if you draw the project by yourself, so will not make you longer than the as usual anyway. Okay, and then we can make the another component. Maybe we can use landscape area over there. As usual, we can landscape area in here or in here. It's just for example. So then we can select the landscape and just place on it. Okay, and also we can make landscaping over there with the landscape tool, the prefer flex and gray, and then we can select the tree component on it, then we can place on it, then we can select the color. We can select the green color. We can select the green color. Okay, then we can adjust the opacity. Okay, and after that we can scale it down anyway. And after that we can move and duplicate it. Okay, we can duplicate it to the another landscape position anyway, so it will be make more representative enough. Okay, it's done anyway. Or maybe we can make it smaller. Okay, and we can make the people over there to make it more livable atmosphere. Okay, and we can set the shadow anyway. We can set the shadow as we want. We just like this. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. This is about the compact commercial building with secondary skin. So I hope you will develop this design to be more detailed, and wait for my next video. Thank you.